My video will help you to remove the malicious pop-up windows and fake survey alerts that are related to the site Ifpullmeet.live. Ifpullmeet.live is a malicious site that may attack Google, Chrome and other browsers. This site, Ifpullmeet.live, tries to make people participate in a fake survey. You should not tolerate these pop-ups and don't share any of your personal data through them. Do not trust these deceptive pop-ups. The real purpose of such pop-ups is to make people share a lot of their personal data, which may be used illegally by third parties. We recommend you to carefully research the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Let's do it once again. combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner Antivirus through this official website, install it and start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.